Hi, so for today's herb we have lavender. The element of this plant is water and air. I found in one book that it's associated with water and in another book that it's associated with the air element. To me, water element is all about emotions and air is associated with knowledge. And I do believe that lavender can help you work with both, so I guess it makes sense. The planet associated with lavender is Mercury and the tarot card is the Hermit. Folk names are Elf-leaf, Nardus and Spike. The gender is masculine. If you don't already know, I created a playlist with herb correspondences and so far we have rose, bay, peppermint and mugwort correspondences if you would like to check them out. Among the lore is the belief that lavender is associated with snakes. There is a reference in the second volume of Greaves, a Modern Herbal, and Dr. Fernie in Herbal Simples. By the Greeks, the name Nardus is given to lavender from Narda, a city of Syria near the Euphrates, and many persons call the plant nard. Saint Mark mentions this is a spikenard, a thing of great value. It was formerly believed that the asp, a dangerous kind of viper, made lavender its habitual place of abode, so that the plant had to be approached with great caution. Lavender has been treated as a sacred herb and with respect since ancient times. In pre-Christian times, lavender was used for midsummer rituals. It is also one of the herbs said to have been selected by the legendary King Solomon, son of David, who lived around 3000 years ago, to asperge his temple. I found this information when I did my researches for this video in a book that I love a lot that is called A Compendium of Herbal Magic. To my understanding, asperge is a kind of ritual done in a Christian church. I'm not sure if this is still done today, but you would sprinkle holy water before the Mass on Sunday. I could be wrong, but I assume he would use lavender to dip into his holy water and sprinkle his temple. Lavender was very popular in the Middle Ages and was used for lust and romance. This herb can be burned to welcome new life into the world when it comes to childbirth. It can also be used in workings regarding fertility. It has been woven into small wreaths to crown newly married couples. It is also often used in hand-fasting rituals and marriage today because it is believed that lavender promotes fertility in women. Lavender can help you increase clarity and to assist one's spirit evolution through life. It can be also used if you would like to have extra help with manifesting your workings, so you can add it in any magical workings to help you to get the desired outcome. Lavender is also known to bring calmness and serenity to one's inner self. It can help one to alleviate stress. It can also help in healing workings, especially from a depression. Of course, healing magical workings are best used alongside therapy. Please always consult a doctor and do not take magic as a substitution to modern medicine and treatments. Because lavender is associated with snakes, to me they bring knowledge and new beginnings, so I would use them in workings for these purposes as well. It is also said that lavender can be used in money workings when you are in need. It is said that if you are not in need of what you are trying to manifest in terms of money, but you do it because you just desire it, the workings could work in reverse. Lavender can also be used in rituals regarding blessing of the home and ritual circles. So use this herb in workings regarding love and romance, protection, sleep, longevity, happiness, peace, fertility, knowledge. It can help increase fidelity as well, to alleviate stress, healing. If you work with it, is associated with snakes, and because of its color, I would also use it to increase your psychic abilities. It can protect against a cruel treatment at the hands of a spouse. If worn, the scent of this flower is said to attract men and can be used as fragrance or in love spells. And I see a lot of practitioners getting some negative comments on love spells, and I didn't mean workings that would force anyone into falling in love and stuff like that. I am talking about attracting people that you could potentially have a romantic relationship with. You can scatter lavender around the home to maintain its peacefulness. It is said that if you smell lavender often, you will live a long life. Lavender can also be used when working with dreams and divination. I personally think that this herb is a very powerful herb, not only used for peace and relaxation, but also has many other correspondences as well. I love working with this herb, but let me know if you are using lavender in your practice and what is your favorite ways of using it. If you'd like to support this channel, you can always check my Etsy shop. If you like this video, please give it a like so that it can be recommended to more people. Subscribe for more witchcraft content. Let me know if you have any video ideas and see you in my next one.